We're at the Punta Gorda Marina Spearfish episode number 2. I'm thirsty. The coldest beer in Southwest Florida is right there. Spring break 2026. Bush light from the mountains of Virginia. Trying to catch the big one. Caught a small one earlier. Look, this is the marina. Isn't it pretty? Sunrise. Killer boats are going out. Killer boats. But here we go. Ready? Here we go. And in Florida, you have 2 hands. So you got to have 2 bush lights. Cut.
I got the weird thing with the camera. It's unboxed. I'm making a video, so if there's anything messed up inside the box, all the money that was just spent isn't wasted. So, let's see what this puppy looks like. I'm excited. Brand spanking right. Let's see. Oh boy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't look damaged.
Oh, it has a prop. Awesome.
That's the same length as the one we got on the boat already, right?
Yep.
Yes, it's been such a long time getting to this point, man. I'll tell you, no joke. All right, bye. Unreal. Unreal. I thought it was going to be smaller with like a plastic propeller and stuff. That's way bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Beefy aluminum.
It's killer. Killer. Still got the tags on the handle. It's got a shifter on the tiller. That's so funny. I never had one like that before. And anyways, there's the boat. This has been the project for the last week. That's what Don came down for, so we could get this boat looking, getting ready for the motor, which we knew was coming. And that's it, man. It's got a fresh coat of paint. See how long it holds up. And that's it. That little plate there was just where the rigging went into the floor from its old life. And that's it. So anyways, all right, we finally made it to the day. We spent the last year dicking around with this boat. It went from a center console to nothing to everything. So anyways, I showed you the video before this of putting the motor on, and it's ready to roll now. Trying to keep it as simple as we can. I got all the gear in this bag here. I don't think I'm gonna need a seat, but we'll see how it goes today. So that's it. Me and Joe are gonna see what happens. Good thing the GoPro's waterproof in case it goes down.
All right, we're out on our maiden voyage. Got that beautiful motor running. Brand new.
So much time has gone into this stupid boat. It's just rewarding. We had the center console and stuff. There was no room. We just
eliminated it. Sold it real quick one day. Some other boaters needed it.
Oh, this should be a fun little toy. And,
yeah.
It's beautiful. So that's it, man. We got it started. It started first boat. And we're good.
We're in break-in mode.
All right, it's Friday morning. We just got out here. This is the first day we're actually fishing. We bought some shrimp, and it's not a trophy catch, but it's the first fish on this boat. That matters. It matters a lot. We just launched right around the corner. We just stopped to crack a beer.
Nice little fish.
Nice. Good job, Joey. First fish. The ice has been broken.
Pick 'em up.
Look at this, Don. Don, this is what you dream of, bro.
There's a fly fisherman when you need one.
Jacks are everywhere. Joey's getting smoked. I should be catching, but this is amazing. It really is.
Look at all the bait fish under us.
Oh yeah.
Look at this guy.
It's gotta be a decent sized fish.
My drinking time is what he's doing.
Oh, that's a nice jack, bro. Nice. Look at this. They're right behind the boat.
Hey, I threw a rag in this bag. Can you grab that?
All right, Joey just whacked a nice jack.
Little dude.
First fish on the first real fish on the boat so far. Killer. We're gonna get more. Hold on. Don't throw him back. Don't throw him back. Well, we tried. It was killer. We saw all the jacks busting. It was worth it. The Tiki's in for the night over here at Red Tiki Tours. And
Come right on this boat. We'll take you for the tiki tour.
that's right. But anyways, it worked out really good. We got the first real fish on the boat. That was cool. That was exciting. That's what we've been trying to do. So, mission accomplished.
Peace out.